Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. To configure basic BMW anti-theft alarm options on a compatible motorcycle, select the correct BMW model. Click Anti-Theft Alarm. Click Service Functions. Click Coding Functions. Click Configuration. To enable or disable automatic alarm arming whenever the motorcycle's ignition is switched off, use these options. To enable or disable a notification tone from the alarm system whenever the alarm is armed or disarmed, use these options. To enable or disable the alarm system's warning siren, use these options. To program your settings into the controller, click Continue.